Smart folders in LifeHub are guided checklists that make it simple to get organized for life's common situations. To create a smart folder, scroll to the bottom of the overview page. For this example, select the Wallet Smart folder, which helps you prepare in case your wallet is ever lost or stolen. The Smart Folder guide will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on the driver's license section and link your driver's license item from the pop-up. If you'd prefer not to add an item, you can simply check it off manually. Navigate through other sections by clicking on them. If the guide is closed, you can reopen it anytime by selecting Open Guide under the folder banner. To change the name or color of a folder, click the three-dot menu on the folder in the left-hand navigation bar. You can also manually create a folder by selecting the plus sign in the Folders section of the navigation bar. From here, you can create additional smart folders or set up a custom folder. Simply add a name, description, color, and even a cover image, then click Create. Finally, select Add Item to quickly search and add items from your LifeHub into this folder.